Looking for a place to stay in Plymouth that's as quirky and refreshing as you are? Look no further than St. Teresa House. With private and shared accommodations to choose from, you'll find the perfect fit for all your needs. Let the natural light pour in through the large windows while you sleep tight in your cozy double bed. Study in style with a desk that comes with drawers, shelving units, and a lamp for those late-night cram sessions. And the private bathrooms will make your daily routines a breeze. When hunger strikes, head to the kitchen to make yourself a cup of coffee and cook up a sandwich on the cooktop. And when it's time to unwind, hang out with your buddies in the games room or buckle down and focus on acing those exams in the study room with free high-speed Wi-Fi. Located just a short stroll away from Plymouth College of Art and the University of Plymouth, you'll be in the perfect spot to get to class on time. Plus, Sainsbury's Local and Tesco Express are just a minute's walk away for all your grocery needs. For those lazy days, takeouts from Bombay Burger Kitchen or Tasty Food Express are right at your fingertips. Don't miss out on this unique and fun experience. Book your stay at St. Teresa House through amberstudent.com.